Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Arpita Spiritpreneur Club channel. I'm a spiritual coach, master in many healing modalities like Reiki, Tarot, Angels, Switchwords, Patch Flowers, and a lot more. So today we are going to talk about a technique to make a stronger bond in your relationships. I have got this query from a many number of my students and my followers to talk something about, to give a good technique and a tip about relationships, how to mend the relationships or how to create a very strong bond between any relationships. So this technique is again a visualization technique, but I'm using a main important ingredient in this technique is a color. Colors have a lot of ways to give more enhance your visualization technique. So what color I have been using in relationships is a pink color. The pink color is a color of love, of kindness, of compassion, of softness. So when you use that color in your relationships, you will get the qualities of the pink color. Okay, so in this visualization technique, just close your eyes, visualize the person with whom you want to create a very stronger bond, or with whom you want to just clear out all that other misunderstandings, and you want to get closer to that person. You want to take that relationship to a next level. So with that intention, just close your eyes and hold that person's image and your own image in your visualization. Cover yourself and that other person fully from top to bottom in a pink layer, sweet little pink layer of light, fully covered. See that you both are covered. You both are almost close by, and you both are covered in that pink layer of energy. Hold this visualization for almost 2 minutes, but in that visualization, when you're holding the image, your intention, you should pass on that intention. Intention is a main ingredient, though pink color is also there. The main ingredient is, of course, the intention in any visualization technique. So what intention you're putting that time works very well for the technique to be effective. So when you're holding this image, from your heart, pour out first of all the love energies, because this is about relationship. So you have to pour that love. Love should be there between that relationship. So pour out from your love. You can even visualize that small red color hearts are coming to that visualization, entering that visualization, that pink layer. You can visualize in that way. And of course, from your heart, put that intention that this person's love is now growing for me. My love for this person is also growing. We are growing in our relationship with love, kind, affection, with compassion, kindness, and understanding for each other. And just keep on, putting your intention, your love energies into that visualization. You can do this technique for at least once when you get up in the morning and once when you go to sleep. This minimum time, but twice, especially the moment you get up in the morning and the moment you're going to sleep. You're just going to go off to sleep. Just keep this visualization, this technique with the color and then with the intention. This technique will really work very well. Yes, and one more for the Reiki healers, those who are practicing Reiki. When you hold this visualization technique, you can do one more extra thing, that is draw that power symbol on the image what you're holding in your mind. Draw the power symbol, that is a chokure symbol. Say the name 3 times, chokure, 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 so that you empower that symbol with more power and energies. The non-healers, of course, you don't need to use a symbol, and it works equally well. The intention is what matters. The intention and the energies what you send is what matters. So just try this technique and let me know how it's working for you. Stay tuned with my other techniques, with my other videos, which will be coming up very soon. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the subscription icon. The subscription icon. Thank you very much. God bless you all.